Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I appreciate you being here. I hope you're having a wonderful November so far. Okay, so I think this is my second coloring page share I have for you so far in November, I think. Um, and both of them are out of this Blossom Magic. This is going to be for the hashtag Color with Friends, and it's with, I think that's it. I don't know. It'll be in the description. I mean, in the title and the description. And it's co-hosted by Jamie's Underline Life. Might have an underline 101. I can't remember. And also, Crafts and More with Pat, I think. Anyway, it's Pat, and I apologize. I'm kind of new to some of these channels, and I don't have my sheet up here to tell me what they were, so I apologize. But I have two pages. I'm going to show you the back one first, if I can open to it. And it was a pair. And I had showed this in my What Am I Going to Do for November? I was actually having deja vu just a few seconds ago thinking, did I already share this? I think I showed that I was probably going to do this. Okay, so this pair was colored with the Faber-Castell grip pencils, which are for kids, in grass green, lime green, and yellow. This is the grass green, this is the lime green, and this was yellow and here covered over in grass green. So it's a little bit of both. And this is also lime green and grass green. And then this is, except for the scallop border, is gelatos. Now I have had these for years and they sit here unused. So I'm using them now. And I used around this part, which I put down first, there's this sort of an olivey green. There are names for them in the booklet, but they're not on the pen, so I can't remember. I think this one was called Banana. So what I did is I put down the green first, then I just put the banana in the corners and a little bit along the edge, and then I took my good old tool, my finger, and I just rubbed. And actually, I got that idea out of the booklet right here. But I think mine looks better. Edging, draw color along the edge of a card or a page, and then use a blending tool to fade the color. But this was my blending tool this time. So I might have, no, even that, I put a little more down here because there was so much white space, but over here I didn't. And then I just did the border in a gold metallic pen out of this set from Hobby Lobby that I had gotten, which was in the paper craft section. I'm pretty sure I got it online, but I'm sure they probably have it in some of the stores anyway. So that's what I did for that. And then the other page that I had showed for my I want to do in November was these leaves, and I turned them mostly into autumn leaves, even though they're not. I believe this is a dandelion. Now for this one, I used Arteza colored pencils, the expert set of, I think it's 48 I have. They're not bad. And then this time, this is Distress Oxides in antique linen for the creamy color and frayed burlap for in here, and a little bit of the antique linen blended in with it. And up at the top I used a little bit of Stampin' Up's Peach Pie ink, which didn't blend in with the oxides really well. It kind of got splotchy, so I didn't use any more. I just did it up in the corner there because the only oxide I have is a really bright orange. I can't remember the name of it. Orange marmalade maybe, or something like that. But these are all multiple colors of the Arteza colored pencils. And this is also colored pencil, and so is the border. Some of the same colors I used in here. I don't remember the color names that I used. So I just know it's in a tin of Arteza colored expert brand colored pencils I got off Amazon. And I love how that came out. I don't mind that it's kind of blotchy because it's kind of blotchy here too. And I did that sort of intentionally down here. And I just thought having a darker color in there looked like dirt, so this didn't have like floating in air. Because I have a tendency to want to do blue in the background because I love blue. And the sky is hopefully generally blue. But I wanted to use similar colors because it's fall to, the cream and the peachy color and the brown for the dirt. Um, for fall. So that's what I did. I did this over 2 days, November 5th and 6th, and the other one, um, I did the pear on the 4th of November, but then I came back and did the background on the 6th of November too, because I just felt like it was missing something. So I did that first, and then I finished, well, I started on the leaves, and then I finished the leaves and did this background. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I had fun with it. This one took me a while. The pear really didn't take that long. I'm pretty sure I colored that while I was sitting on my sofa. But then I came up in my craft room and used the gelatos. And I'm so, so happy. I'm starting to use things that I've had in my stash. I have had them from probably 2017 or 18 when I was thinking I was going to be doing all kinds of cool artsy stuff. And then I started making mostly cards and jewelry for my other channel, and I got away from it, and I'm just so happy to be using things I have plus new things as well. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to go check out Jamie and Pat, and their channel links will be down below. If they don't fit in the title, they'll be at the very top of the description. And also click the hashtag and see what others have made. I think they post every Monday. And if I'm off on my day, I apologize. But this is going up on Monday, the 11th. And oh, by the way, happy Veterans Day to anybody out there that's a veteran or knows a veteran. Yeah, have a wonderful day. Okay, thank you for watching. Hugs, love, and peace.